everybody, hello and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we have the Hot Wheels 2022 case. Yes it is. So I think the super treasure is the Hakosuka, and not so sure about the regular treasure, but we will see. Yes it is. And I hope the curse breaks in this case. Yep, without further ado, let's open it up. Yes it is. There goes my cutter, and here you go. So the first layer usually has the regular treasure hunt, usually is in the first layer. So maybe we have, maybe we don't, no idea. Okay, we're going to start with from the previous case, the mod rod, broken promises. Look at that. Yup. Also from the previous case, the 94 Bugatti EB110 SS in silver, and coupe clip from the previous case, a red color. Oh, the 1986 Toyota van from the previous case. Look at that, beautiful. Yes it is. New to the case, Skull Shaker, shake and go, a red color. Feels rights there. Yup. And new to the case, look at that, Armadillo number 179 from the new Disney Pixar movie Lightyear, Buzz Lightyear. This is the Armadillo. Screen time. That is cool. Yes it is. Oh, we got two of those. Armadillo. Possible to do a Casilus. Yes. Yep. GT Scotcher from the previous case. Nice. And Batman Batmobile. So this is the new color, 178. Sort of like a shinier, maybe shinier gray there. Shinier charcoal. Looks okay. Looks okay. Oh, the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Trim garage, beautiful from the previous case, which is nice. Oh, new to the case, Porsche 911 GT3. That in blue. Beautiful, 199. Factory fresh. Awesome. From the previous case, not very awesome Velociracer. Bye bye. See you. Another coupe clip. And from the previous case, the 20 Toyota Tacoma. Awesome. Red color. Nice. From the previous case, also the Fast Fish. Not so nice. From the previous case, the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, the winner of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Look at that, 2020 Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Awesome, it's a red color. Also from the previous case, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LBWK Liberty Walk. Awesome, yes it is. Got two of those now, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Nice. Got the Honda Super Cub from the previous case. Awesome. Oh, another mod rod, the Broken Promises. Oh, new to the case, a recolor of the Glory Chaser. Look at that, now in red, number 22. This is awesome recolor. A very good fantasy casting. Yes it is. New to the case, 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback Muscle Mania. Yup. So we've got the first Muscle Mania That is cool. Yes, it is number 192. Muscle Mania. Also new to the case, 2006 Pontiac GTO. That H-dub drag strip. Interesting. 182. Yes, it is. Nice. We got another Porsche 911 GT3. Awesome. We got another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LBWK 174. Yes, two of those now. Beautiful. And we've got a custom 18 Ford Mustang GT from the previous case, and also the casting used for Super Treasure Hunt from the previous case. Oh, another LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Beautiful. Two of those now. Rocket box. Count Muscular, a recolor. This is new to the case, is it? I think so. Yep, new to the case. Count Muscular. And this guy, classic TV series Batmobile. One so far. And we've got another Batmobile from the movie. Yeah, two of those. Oh, new to the case, Ain't Fair, a recolor. Yep, HW Airlines. And new to the case. Is it new to the case? I think so. We've got the Rygen Express, a recolor now in gold. Beautiful gold there. Yep. And looks like we didn't get the regular Treasure Hunt MST Suzuka from the previous race. Nice. Another 94 Bugatti EB 110 SS. Awesome. And the 68 Dodge Dart from the previous case. Yep. Wow. We didn't get a regular Treasure Hunt. Now that is interesting. First layer. Second layer. Yep. There you go. There you go. Maybe we get anything. No idea. Hopefully got something great. New to the case. Twin Mill then and now. 191. So I'm guessing this is a then, and you can guess what is the now, right? Twin Mill. Two classic TV series Batmobile. Got two of those now. Oh, from the previous case, 95 Mazda RX-7 in a Falcon liveries there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Fast Fish. Got two of those now. Oh, from the previous case, the Automobiline Pininfarina Battista. Looks awesome indeed. Yes, it is. Fast Guessing from the previous case, not that interesting. Oh, new to the case, Ford Mustang GT Concept, Police Car, Track Patrol, GT Concept 21. So this is a new casting, 2021. This is a new casting. Maybe you guys can comment down below. Interesting. HW Rescue. Oh, from the previous case, the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Look at that. Beautiful. Another GT Scorcher. Wheelie chair, new to the case. Yup, a recolor. Put it here. Wheelie chair. From the previous case, the kick cart. Not that interesting. Oh, a recolor of the DA Vance Nader. Look at that. Very macho looking. 99 a recolor. Spoiler alert. Yup. New to the case, 40 Ford pickup. Look at that. cams, HW drag strip, number 1, 181. This is a new casting, so let's take a look at the base there. Nope, it's a retool from the 1998. Now it's a retool 2021. So previously maybe it has a metal base, I'm guessing. Yep. And third, of course, classic TV series Batmobile. A third one. Oh, another 95 Mazda RX-7 Falcon liveries. New to the case, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro Rally Champs. Look at that, a new sub-series, number 1 out of 5. Rally Champs number 180. Interesting. Oh, new to the case, HW Turbo LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silver S15, a recolor. Which, look at that. That is awesome. We got another MST Suzuka. Yup. New to the case, Aston Martin V12 Speedster, now in white. Not really a fan of this car actually. Look at that. 183 factory fresh. Yup. Another Veloci Racer. We got from the previous case the braking speed. Also the Cosmic Coupe, a recolor. Is it new to the case? Maybe. Oh, look at that. New to the case. Wow. HW Hot Wheels KITT concept. Kit concept. Done by Hot Wheels Knight Rider 185. Is it just a concept or is going to appear in a new TV show? HW Exotics. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep. Nice. We put it here. Hyper Rocker. New to the case. Maybe a recolor. Hyper Rocker. Oh, nice. We got another kit concept. Night Industries 2000. Yes, it is. 2 of those now. Head gasket with a crazy looking color there. HW Art Cars. There you go. Number 184. The kit is 185. Head gasket. Interesting. Oh, new to the case, a recolor of the McLaren F1, now in orange. 107. Beautiful orange there. Yes, it is. We got another Kit Kat. 2 of those now. New to the case, 69 Copo Camaro Muscle Mania. Of course, no headlights, tail lights. There's a stripe there, white stripe. Looks okay. Looks nice. And we've got another recolor of the 20 Toyota Tacoma. Awesome. Oh, we've got another LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Nice. And new to the case, and I believe this casting is used as the super treasure for this case, but obviously this is a normal one. Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. Look at that. Got the tail lights there, nothing on the headlights. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. HWJ Imports 187. Nice tone of green there. Looks awesome. Yes, it is. We got another custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. And last 3. Seriously, third Batmobile, the classic, the tuned Batmobile 3. Also this guy here, 3. 6 Batmobiles in my case. Wow. Wow. Oh, need to case the Corvette C8R then and now. This is the now we can get the then, yeah, maybe C7R, 66R Corvette. But this is beautiful. Love the blue there. Yes, it is. Wow. And last one, Turbine Sublime. Yup. What's the number? 190. So there you go. Wow. No regular treasure hunt for me. No super treasure hunt for me. Six Batmobiles. Look at that. I'm shaking. I'll be right back with the highlights. Okay. The highlights for me in this case going to be this here, Hakosuka Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX, the recolor of the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15, the kit concept Armadillo 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and the Porsche 911 GT3. That's my pick for the highlights of KK's. Overall, not really that impressed with it, because one thing feels like there's a little bit too many fantasy casting in this case, or maybe it's just my case, I'm not so sure. Definitely due to my case, I don't have the regular treasure hunt, the super treasure hunt. That's another minus point for me, and the most important, 3 Batmobiles from the movie, 3 Toon Batmobiles, 6 Batmobiles in my case. Well, what can you do, eh? So if you haven't subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want. Definitely comment down below what you guys think. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.